In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect hosting your domain to Framer. By the end, you'll have your custom domain pointing to your Framer project ready for visitors. Before we begin, make sure you can log into both Framer and your domain provider on Hostinger and that you know the exact domain you want to use. Start by opening Framer and the specific project you want to publish. Inside your project, look for the settings area. It's the place where all your project level configuration lives, including publishing and custom domains. Click into Settings so we can set up your connection. Within Settings, head to the Domain section. This is the dedicated panel for attaching a custom domain to your site. You'll see your current project URL and the options for connecting your own domain. This is where Framer manages verification, SSL, and the connection status, so it's the best place to keep an eye on progress. Choose the option to connect an existing domain. A field will appear asking for your domain. Paste the domain you registered on Hostinger exactly as you want people to type it. For a full site, that might be example.com or www.example.com. If you're targeting a specific area of your site, you can also use a subdomain like blog.example.com. Be sure to enter only the domain, no HTTPS, no slashes, and no extra spaces. Keeping it clean helps Framer verify it quickly. Once your domain is in place, Framer will begin checking it, and if needed, will show you clear on-screen guidance to complete verification. If you see prompts, follow what's shown there. It's normal for verification to take a little time depending on your registrar's settings. Leave the Domains panel open so you can watch the status update. You'll know things are working when you see the connection status turn healthy. Framer will also handle the SSL certificate automatically, so your site will load securely once the domain is connected. A few quick tips as you finalize the setup. Decide whether you want visitors to land on the root domain or the www version, and be consistent when you paste your choice. If you're using a subdomain, paste the full subdomain so traffic routes exactly where you expect. If the status doesn't flip to connected right away, give it some time. Domain changes can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours to propagate globally. That's it. With your Hostinger domain added in the Domains panel, your Framer project is now set up to use your custom address. Enjoy your new professional URL.